What's up guys, it's Christian from Organic Studios and I want to introduce you to Ralin the Beginning. Actually this is a devlog and you can see that we are already in the middle of the alpha release for our multiplayer version. So Ralin the Beginning is, let's say a sequel of Ralin Dwarf Force. We want to tell a story in the alpha versions, so that's the reason why we want to have a little sequel, so that we can test the systems, the servers, PvP system, crafting and everything else, and release it with some cool stuff. So in every single alpha release you will get new content, new zones, new features and a lot of other stuff that I don't want to tell right now because it will take the whole video. Okay, let's talk about the features, because I know that I cannot stop this video without telling you what's absolutely new in the game. I know that a lot of you folks downloaded the old version, so the old alpha version, and there wasn't enough content. So this time we worked on the content part. Actually now you can loot stuff from enemies and you can equip them. At the moment it's very basic. As you can see, you can just click on the stuff that you want to equip and the system is just putting it on your character. The other thing is that you have a skill system, so you really can put new skills or learn new skills in the game. It was one of the most asked feature in our last feedback session. Another big issue in our last release was the lack of content. That's why we are working on the quests at the moment, so that the NPCs are telling you a story about the Ralin universe. We are also implementing a skill system, so that you can just learn a skill, drag and drop it to your skill bar and use it to get a buff or whatever. So there are really a lot of things that we want to implement and to play with. I know that I announced last time that we will not have a leveling system. So normally we just want to give you strengths and everything else with weapons and equipment. But for Ralin the Beginning we are implementing a leveling system so that you can reach the level cap of level 10. Just use the grouping system or create your own guild to get in touch with other players and level up to level 10. It's normal that in those alpha releases there will be no end content. There will be dungeons, there will be procedural dungeons, because we never gave up the idea of a cool roguelike gameplay. So at the end it's a mix about an action RPG and an MMO RPG. It's not completely new, but this time we really want to care about the content. But yes, enough about the PvE and let's talk a little bit about PvP. We are implementing a PvP system into Ralin the Beginning. I can't tell you a lot about the PvP system, but at the moment you can kill other players. And I hope that I can tell you more in the next video. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video and we will see us next time.